So here I am in front of the TV, and these are what I call my altered images. I've got 2 magazine pages here, and I think I'm going to choose the blue one. And curling up on the sofa, this is me just doodling in front of the TV. So looking at the magazine page as abstract shapes and using a Sharpie pen, I'm just going to go over the lines and then fill in the patterns and designs and doodles all over the page. So before the light fades too much this evening, I just wanted to check in and show you where we're at. So this is how the pattern is evolving. Each one of these shapes is being filled with a different doodle pattern. There's no plan and there's no vision of what this might look like. It's just making it up as you go along and going with the flow. So this is the final page, and I'm just going to try it with a mount around it so you can get a bit of an idea of what it might look like in a frame. And it's amazing what you can do with a magazine page, a Sharpie pen, and sitting in front of the TV. I hope this has inspired you to make your own altered images. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.